Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are back at Dorney Park for Iron Menace Construction Update number 6 on February 27, 2024, releasing February 28th. Today I was finally able to put up a drone over the construction site with permission from Dorney Park to showcase track piece number 69, the final piece of track being installed on the ride. First though, let's put our feet on the ground and go to the construction site to see before that final piece of track was put in place. Since our last update, the incline loop and the final corkscrew have been installed. Work is also underway on parts of theming for the ride, including the entranceway and a little hidden detail in the queue, which travels underneath the station. So the station is also getting some of that dynamic theming, as Ryan likes to put it, on the side of it, and a roof is going up. Everything is moving full steam ahead at Dorney Park for Iron Menace. Now let's put a camera in the sky and let's take a look at the construction progress from above. And let's take a look at that final piece of track, track number 69, going in place. Let me know in the comment section down below how excited you are for Iron Menace. Lots of great shots are available from up here in the sky, but remember, do not fly over private property. Do not put a drone up over Dorney Park. Make sure to follow all procedure when visiting this construction site. If you want to see it yourself, make sure to stay on the roadway and don't get out of your car. Just a little word of precaution because things happen. And that's all I have for you guys today on this Iron Menace update. Let me know in the comments section what you guys think, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next update where maybe we'll see something happen with the ride, maybe trains on the track. Who knows? Make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. See you guys in the next one, and peace.